Hi my loves, welcome or welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Hope you all are doing great. So my loves, in today's video, today is going to be a skincare routine video, and the reason why I am filming this video is because to me personally, I feel like this is the most important skincare routine ever. This is something that a lot of people still don't understand. And this skincare routine is basically going to be focused on barrier repair, your skin barrier. Now, if you have a damaged skin barrier, it can lead to a lot of skin complication. Take for example, if your skin barrier is damaged, your skin will be looking dull. If your skin barrier is damaged, your skin is going to be looking uneven. Skin will not be glowing effortlessly, and that's because your skin barrier is damaged. If your skin barrier is damaged, you'll be breaking out excessively, like unnecessarily. Now, a lot of people ignores this thing called skin barrier, but they don't understand that it is the foundation of a healthy, glowy skin. If you have a damaged skin barrier, you see that your vitamin C serum, that's your wash or whatever, that your skincare product, that active skincare product that you want to use to treat that your acne. See, if you have a damaged skin barrier, you cannot use that product on your skin. If you force your skin to accept that active skincare product, maybe you want to get rid of dark spots on your skin, you want to get rid of let's say sunburn on your skin, you want to get rid of acne breakouts on your skin, and you're forcing your skin to accept those active products when your skin barrier is damaged, you will end up worsening your skin condition. That dark spot that you're trying to get rid of, you will end up making that dark spot even worse, to be very sincere. Now, I had to actually calm down and talk about a little bit, like go a little bit into this thing called barrier repair, because I know and I have understood how important this thing is. Now, let's go properly into this skincare routine, the products that I'll be using for the skincare routine. But before we get right into that, please kindly give my video a very big thumbs up. Okay, please like my video, subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified when next I upload amazing content like this. So the first step in our skincare routine is going to be cleansing of the skin. So all the whole skincare products I'm going to be using for this routine are going to be gentle skincare products, and also skincare product that contains ingredients that are targeted to help repair a damaged skin barrier. So the first product I will be using is this face cleanser from the K-Secret brand. This is a Korean skincare brand. So this is the K-Secret Seoul 1988 cleansing foam. It contains 1% of pine Cica and it contains probiotics. So this is a very gentle face cleanser. It does not strip moisture out of the skin. It does not irritate the skin. You can see the way the thing is lathering up into my skin. It doesn't have any fragrance. Yeah, it doesn't have any fragrance in it, just in case maybe you do not want your cleanser to contain any form of fragrance in it. Also, do not forget your neck region, the back of your ear. So I am done applying this into my skin, and then I'll just be going off camera to wash this product out of my skin. So guys, I am done cleansing my skin with this cleanser, and this is the way my skin feels and looks. It feels so refreshed. My skin does not feel dry at all. Like I said, this does not strip moisture out of my skin, and this is the way my skin is looking. So now I am done cleansing my skin. We'll move on to the next step, and that is applying a face toner. And the toner I'm going to be using actually contains ingredients that will help you to repair your skin barrier. And one of those toner, or the first toner that I am actually going to be using, is this Tony Moly Wonder Ceramide Mochi toner. This product here was specifically formulated to help repair a damaged skin barrier. I have gone, like, should I say half or more than half of this product. I have been loving this product so much on my skin. So if you have a damaged skin barrier, I will advise that you make use of this. It contains ceramides in it. It also contains other skin nourishing and barrier repair skincare ingredients. So I'll just be applying this toner on my skin next. And I love the milky nature of this toner. So toners actually help to hydrate the skin, and toners also helps with your skin barrier. Like, I actually love this toner because it helps me to hydrate my skin. As my skin feels hydrated, the thing is helping me to like repair my skin barrier. It will also be helping me to hydrate my skin, and I also love it when my skin feels so hydrated, dewy and glowy. And that is another reason why I love this Tonimoli toner so much. So this is the way my skin is already looking. You can see that my skin already looks more hydrated after I am done applying this face toner on my skin. Now the second toner I'll be using, this one is from the Skin 1004 brand. So this is the product here. This is the Skin 1004 Pro Bio Cica Essence Toner. Now this product is from Skin 1004 Skin Barrier Repair line that contains several skincare products that are focused on repairing the skin barrier. So this product contains a lot of nice skin barrier repair ingredients that will help you to repair your skin barrier. And I also love how this product helps me to boost my skin hydration like on a very deep basis. So let's just apply this my skin. I so much love how this toner is very gentle on the skin. Can you see the way this thing has literally left my skin feeling more hydrated? And like I mentioned earlier, that this product was specifically formulated to help repair a damaged skin barrier. So if you have a damaged skin barrier, you can try out Skin 1004 Pro Bio Cica line. Guys, can you see the glow? Now we'll be going in with the next step, the next skincare product, which is also from the Skin 1004 brand. So this is their face serum from their probiotica line or their barrier repair skincare line. So this is the Skin 1004 probiotica intensive ampoule. It has a white, like it has a white color. See the way it is, and it is not so runny. It's kind of milky on the skin, and I actually love how it helps to really hydrate the skin. Guys, can you see the way my skin's hydration level has already been boosted? This Skin 1004 probiotica line are actually packed with a lot of skin barrier repair products, skin barrier repair ingredients to actually help you to repair your skin barrier. It does not irritate the skin at all. None of these products that I have been using actually irritated my skin. So now I'm done applying this face serum on my skin. We'll be moving on to the next step, and that is making use of a face moisturizer. And I'll also be using the Skin 1004 face moisturizer, and that's because it helps with skin barrier. So this is the Skin 1004, also from the probiotica line. This is the Skin 1004 probiotica Enrich cream. And another thing about this moisturizer again is that it has a slimy consistency. This is what the cream actually looks like. Can you see? It actually has a slimy like texture. Can you see it? Yeah. So you see the little I took, that is all I'm going to use on my skin. So this is the way my skin is already feeling. Now the next step for this skincare routine, which is a very important step as regards treating your damaged skin barrier, and that has to do with applying a sunscreen. Okay, see, if you have a damaged skin barrier, your skin is very weak. Okay, and it can easily get irritated. It can, like, any small thing can literally worsen your skin condition. And you know, when the sun hits on the skin, it's actually like it is harsh. Now when you have a damaged skin barrier, it is very important that you always apply your sunscreen. As a matter of fact, apply enough amount of sunscreen, because your skin is very weak, and if you don't apply enough amount that will protect your skin, if you go outside and the sun hits on your skin, it will trigger, like it will irritate your skin further, and your skin barrier would, like, it can even damage your skin barrier further. So applying a sunscreen is a non-negotiable if you have a damaged skin barrier. So I'll be using this sunscreen also from the Skin 1004 skin barrier repair line, which is their probiotica line. This is what the product looks like. So this is the Skin 1004 Centelal Probio Cica Glow Sun Ampoule. It contains an SPF of 50 plus and PA4 plus. This product does not leave a white cast on the skin. So this is how the mouth is. It has a watery consistency and kind of like a milky color. So let's just go in with the first finger. So this is how it blends into my skin. I'll go in with another finger on my face again. Second finger. So this is the way you can see that the product has blended into my skin already, and you can see that this did not leave a matte finish on my skin. It still gave me that subtle glow on my skin. So my loves, we are done with this skin barrier repair skincare routine, and you can see the way my skin is literally glowing, like the glow on my skin. You can see the way my skin is literally glowing. So these are some skincare products that I love alternating between currently to help with my skin barrier. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please kindly give my video a very big thumbs up. Okay, please like my video, subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified when next this beauty uploads amazing content like this. So my loves, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.